Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gharfeh, and today I'm going to be discussing the best plant-based protein on the market. Let's go. All right, guys, check it out. We got the Vivo Life Perform Raw Plant Protein, Madagascar Vanilla flavor. Also got the plant-based BCAAs with the coconut water, and that's the Baobab Blueberry. Don't know if I'm saying that right. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, please. About to make a smoothie in 3, 2, 1. Here are all the ingredients that we are going to be using for the smoothie. We got a banana, got some organic frozen blueberries, of course, the Vivo Life Perform Vanilla, which smells amazing. And then I got this organic Eden soy milk. Love this soy milk. If you guys haven't seen in my previous videos, the nutrient content in there is money. Also, these ingredients are super clean. Reverse osmosis purified water and organic soybeans. All the other soy milks on the market use regular water, which I assume is tap, so that is a no-go for me. Gotta stick with this one. It's a little more expensive, but 12 grams of protein per 8 ounces, which is great. All the other ones are about 8 or 9 grams, so you get a little extra protein. And yeah, let's get this smoothie started. I'm just gonna add a little bit of these frozen blueberries. Get those antioxidants in there. And we'll get this banana in there as well. And we'll add some of this soy milk. I didn't get a scoop with this because we want to save a little bit of plastic. So it says use 2 tablespoons. So that's what I'm gonna do. It says 2 heaping tablespoons, so that looks about right. 1, 2, add some water to this. And then I'm gonna add this creatine in here. And we are ready to blend this bad boy up. Cheers. I kind of want to put the camera down because this stuff is delicious. So I'm going to read off a few facts about this protein, and it kind of explains why it's so good. So there's no cheap fillers, no maltodextrin, no gums, no emulsifiers. Every single ingredient in Perform delivers powerful benefits to support your training. And I looked at all the ingredients, and that is true. Complete amino acid. They use fermented pea protein and cold pressed hemp for the protein source, which is awesome. Plant-based BCAAs. If you guys didn't know, most BCAAs I think are sourced from like animal hair. I don't know if I'm fully right on that, but I'm pretty sure that is true, so that's pretty disgusting. So these are completely plant-based, which is awesome. They got pink Himalayan salt in there, which has 82 trace minerals in there to help support and replenish the electrolytes lost when you're sweating. Real flavor, no aspartame. This is a big one. No aspartame. I hate the aspartame. No sucralose, which is basically the same thing in a different name. No artificial flavors, just a little bit of stevia. They also got the turmeric extract in there, which helps with anti-inflammatory. As you know, when you train, you break down your muscles and you cause inflammation in there. So to have the turmeric in there is awesome. There's 25 grams of protein per scoop, which is great. And next they got plant-based digestive enzymes in there, which helps to digest the protein and actually get it into your muscles. No sugar, like we said before, no artificial flavors, just a pinch of stevia. And it's not even that sweet. I had it on its own with just some unsweetened soy milk, and it's not even that sweet, so that's great. Another thing that's pretty cool, nothing really to do with the protein powder, but for every order they get, they plant 1 tree for the purpose of reforestation, agroforestry, and reducing extreme poverty for local villagers. Love Vivo Life. I've been wanting to get it forever, as I've seen all the vegan YouTubers have it. Simnett Nutrition, Brian Turner, John Venus, Leo Venus, Vgains, I don't know, the list goes on. Maddie Limburner. I think there's a few others that I'm forgetting, but love the protein, and I just never got around to getting it just because I always had deals around my area, so I was getting the proteins from local stores and whatnot, but I had to finally give it a try. I got a 20% code in my email, and I figured, why not? I gotta try the stuff, and it lives up to the hype. It is delicious. I will definitely be getting it again. I also got the BCAAs, the Baobab Blueberry. Don't know if I'm saying that right, but the BCAAs were good. I never really trained with the BCAAs because I figured you just get all your stuff from food, but I figured, why not? Let's get it and try it. And I had it yesterday in my workout, and I thought it was a great workout. Don't know if it was placebo or not, but I thought it tasted good, and there's no artificial flavors in there or anything, so that's great as well. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought. What protein do you guys use? Do you use plant-based protein, or are you still using whey or animal-based protein? Let me know. I would love to hear it. And if you guys have tried Vivo Life, let me know what you guys think, because I would love to hear that as well. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Deuce.